Hello everyone, I am Sheikh Akhtar Ali and in this video I am going to explain the whole chapter of semantics. So first of all, what is semantics? Semantics is the study of the meaning of words, phrases and sentences. Then what is agent? Agent is the subject, or it may be animate or inanimate, or the doer who does the work is called agent, and what the doer does is called theme. What is source? Take an example. She borrowed a magazine from George. She is agent, a magazine is theme, from George is source. What is goal? Take another example. She handed the magazine back to George. She handed the magazine back to George. She is agent, the magazine is theme, back to George is goal. Lexical relations. There are three types of lexical relations: synonyms, antonyms and hyponym. What is synonym? As you know, nearest meanings in English are called synonyms. Antonyms are the opposite words, and hyponyms, when the meaning of one form is included in the meaning of another. The relationship is described as hyponym. Look at the example: ant and insect. Ant is also an insect. Rose and flower. Rose is also a flower. Prototypes. Look at the example: penguin, parrot, dove, duck, hen. All are considered to be equally good example of bird, but bird has some perfect quality. It can fly or it has feathers, but there are some creatures who does not have these qualities, so it is called prototypes. What is homophones? Homo means same and phones means sound. Look at the example: meet. Both the sound meet, meet are same, but the meaning is different. You can understand meet and meet. Flower and flower, both the meaning is different though the sound is same. Right and right, the meaning is different. What is homonyms? Homonyms, look at the example: bat and bat. One bat means uh, flying creature, and it also means used in sports. Mole, which is seen in on skin. Mole means small animal. So homonyms means the word that has multiple meanings, one or more meanings. The word that has multiple meanings is called homonyms. And the last one is metonymy. What is metonymy? Metonymy, there are three types of metonymy: container content relation. For example, bottle, water. Water is the bottle is the container of water. For example, when a man says, "Give me a bottle," he wants the water, but instead of saying that, "Give me a glass of water," he says, "Give me a glass." Whole part relationship. In Bengali film, sometimes the hero or the villain says, "We cannot live under the same roof." It means they cannot live in a same house. Or some people say, "The doctor's hand is very good." So they want to say that the doctor is very efficient in his work. Representative and symbol. Crown is the representative of king, or crown is the symbol. Crown is the symbol, and also the representative of king. The White House is the representative of the president or American president. Look at the example. Pen is mightier than sword. Here pen represents writer, and sword represents a villain or a warrior. So a writer is more powerful or mightier than a villain or a warrior. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it will help you in future. Goodbye.